Conveyer's AI agent Sue can help you knock out the toughest security questionnaires. I'm talking portals, Excels, PDFs, Word docs, you name it. Let me walk you through how. You can drag and drop any document, PDF, or Excel to Sue for auto import. No need to manually tag any columns and cells. She is going to do all of this for you, so all you have to do is click OK. Sue is going to extract the questions and answer them in seconds using the content of your knowledge library. This includes the security documents already in your Trust Center, Q&A pairs, any external source you've connected, such as company help centers, company wikis, and even past questionnaire answers. All right, but what about portals? Well, we've got good news. Sue is compatible with every portal and online form-based questionnaire. Let's take a look at this one. It's easy to get AI-generated answers that you can edit directly in your workflow because Sue's big brain power is behind the browser extension. Plus, all the changes will be synced to the web app so you never lose your work. For a subset of portals like OneTrust, Sue has the power to autofill these for you. Simply give Sue the portal link and she will extract the questions and fill out the answers. And check this out, Sue even exports the answers back into the portal for you. Sue scrolls all on her own here. For you, it's full no hands mode. For any one-off questions from customers, you or your sales team can ask Sue anything using the Slack mention, in-app search, or the browser extension. Okay, I know I've gone over a lot, but Sue really isn't your basic questionnaire automation software. I showed you answer generation and how she can handle any format, but let me show you more of what Sue, the AI agent for customer trust, can do. She's here to take the busy work off your plate for good. Okay, take a look at this chart. Sue can review and triage any request from the sales team in your ticketing tool or your CRM. Then she'll decide whether to process the questionnaire that was sent based on your deal thresholds or any other rules that you gave her. If she needs more information, she'll independently work with the sales team to get what she needs. This includes updating and writing to the different systems you use. She manages your source material and stays updated 24/7, so you don't have to maintain thousands of Q&A pairs. Beyond just answering questions, Sue can adjust the tone and verbosity. She can translate questions into other languages, and she auto-notifies subject matter experts when she needs their review. She does all of this busy work and task management autonomously to get you a first draft that is as close as possible to being a final. And all you have to do is wait for Sue to say, I'm done. See how Sue, Conveyer's AI agent for customer trust, can complete any security questionnaire fully end-to-end for you. Book a free trial with Conveyor today.